In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT study mode. First, open your browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type ChatGPT and press enter. From the results page, click the official ChatGPT website. You'll know you're in the right place when you see the familiar chat interface with a text box at the bottom. If you're asked to continue, just proceed to the main chat page so you can access the features we need. The idea is to start from a clean, easy-to-find entry point so anyone can follow along, even if you're using ChatGPT for the first time. Once you're on the ChatGPT home screen, look for the plus icon to start a fresh conversation. Clicking this helps you separate your study session from any previous chats and keeps your notes organized. Next, move your mouse over the More option. This reveals additional modes tailored for specific tasks. From there, select Study and Learn. This mode is designed to structure content for learning, not just answering a single question. It helps you pace your progress, break down complex ideas, and follow a clearer path from basics to more advanced material. Now you're ready to write your prompt. In the message box, describe what you want to study and be specific. For example, you can type, "Teach me the fundamentals of business management step by step, with real-world examples." Clear prompts make the study flow easier to follow, and they nudge the model to present information in a way that builds on itself. When your prompt looks good, click Submit. You'll see a guided explanation begin, often with sections, definitions, and examples you can apply immediately. A couple of tips will help you get better results in Study and Learn. Be explicit that you want to study, not just get a quick answer. Phrases like, "Teach me," "Walk me through," or "Help me learn" signal that you want structure and practice, not a summary. Also, define your level clearly. Say whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or brushing up, and mention any background you have. This prevents content from being too simple or too advanced and keeps your session focused on what you actually need. That's it. Open Google, find ChatGPT, start a new chat, choose Study and Learn, type a clear learning prompt, and submit. You're ready to study smarter, one guided session at a time.